Hey y'all!
What up?
And welcome back to our channel. My name is Olivia.
Marcus.
And we're Mo Power TV.
And today is very special.
Very special, okay?
Because a year ago today, I asked this young woman to be my girlfriend. And she said yeah.
I sure did. I didn't even say yeah. I said, of course. Okay.
Whatever is good and perfect is a gift coming down to us from God our Father, who created all the lights in the heavens. He never changes or casts a shifting shadow.
So today we're gonna be eating some seafood. I'll give you your bib now. And we each got a pound of crab legs and a pound of crawfish. And Marcus also got some Cajun fries.
So, pound of smoked crab, pound of crawfish, time to get busy.
Let's say grace.
Heavenly Father, thank you for this food. We ask that it bless our soul and nourishes our body, and blessings that prepare this meal. Amen.
Amen. Should've got it scrunchy, okay?
Which one you starting with?
Some crawfish. I'm a Louisiana girl.
I'm gonna go with you. Go ahead, have that crawfish. You want some fries?
Yes. Damn. We're not gonna tell y'all who we got this from until we taste and see if it's good or not. No free promo.
Yeah, because the fries is
Stale.
corny right now. What was the first gift that I got you?
Flowers.
I guess.
Is that, we keep going.
That's not what I was.
On our first date, which was 4/21/2019, he came to my room after we had our first date. And I took a nap because it was like a feast of seafood. He brought me flowers and then we watched the basketball game. And like talked about life for like hours. So that was technically the first gift that you gave me. We talking about like.
Yeah, I wasn't talking about flowers, but like that's correct by default.
Ding.
You got that?
You want to put
You want
my
this?
score right here? Yes.
Here you go. Style.
Yeah, thank you. My first question.
Uh-oh.
What was the other name my mom thought she was gonna name me?
Sheesh.
Cause that's like quite easy if you know what my name came from.
Was it?
I'm gonna have a potato, y'all. Cause that's my business.
I'm gonna say Dorinda, cause we was watching part of the Clark system. No.
I'll say eh.
I don't recall.
This is not spicy. This shit got like mild. And it was Rudy.
I don't think I ever knew that.
Yes, you did. I told you how my name comes from the Cosby Show, and they were stuck between Olivia and Rudy.
You right.
If Mama's watching, I'd be listening, Mama. Okay, that's her. Yes, I'm double dipping. So I don't even want to hear nothing.
Where did my middle name come from? Both parts.
So Lorenzo, your dad had promised that they were going to name a relative, like they were going to name you after a relative. And he said this before ever like talking to your mom. And like your mom was like, I'm not naming my child that. So they moved it to his middle name. And then Miss Annette just knew that Marcus was gonna be like a golden child. So she was like, oh yeah, he has to have my name. He has to have my name. So they put like, I guess the relative on his dad's side name and Bissonette's maiden's name and just hyphenated it as your middle name.
Very, very close.
I'm not wrong.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you.
But what was I wrong?
So the way I got the first part of my middle name was because we was visiting family in Newport News, Virginia with my mom. Well, they was visiting because I was still in my mom's stomach. And then my uncle was like, so like, what y'all thinking about like naming a baby boy? And then my dad, without even like consulting my mom or anybody, he was just like, we was thinking about naming him after you, Unc. So my mom was like blindsided by that. So they put that first part, they put my uncle's first name as the first part of my middle name.
So,
And then you was right about the second part, but I'll give it to you because it was just a small detail.
but what did I say that was wrong? Or that I was missing? Because I'm gonna play this back.
That it was in front of my uncle when it was decided, like, my dad did not like predetermine.
Your dad had promised that they were gonna name a relative, like they were gonna name you after a relative. And he said this before ever like talking to your mom.
My name. It was just like his reaction to a question.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh,
Like
okay.
before even talking to your mom or whatever, he said your name was gonna be his name.
Oh. Well, then you got it then.
Okay, so we're just talking about the seafood. Cooking wise, I give it like a 6. It's cooked very like, it's overcooked, 1. And there's no flavor in the meat. You have to like dip it in the sauce. But however,
Facts.
I give it a 7 because this sauce is busted.
Yeah.
Like I'm definitely saving this for your muscles later. Oh, you smart.
Come on now.
Okay, my question. In middle school, what was my basketball position? And we just said this.
Power forward.
Okay. Ding, ding, ding. Your turn.
So my question is, what oh, we just talked about this the other day. Perfect. What school gave me an offer to play basketball?
No, we weren't. We did not just talk about this the other day.
Well, we talked about it. I remember the road we was on when we talked about it.
Salisbury?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me they gave you an offer. You said that you toured that school.
And it was like recruiting me.
But see how I just knew? And he didn't even tell me this.
I did say.
I'm doing good here, okay? What is my dream pair of luxury heels?
Your dream pair of luxury heels? Are you talking like
Yeah,
the brand or the height or what?
the brand. You ain't even gotta tell me like the exact type, just tell me the brand. Okay, nose.
I told when you get into that sauce with that corn, it's there. Lubes. What is it?
Manolos. Like Carrie Bradshaw.
Oh. I'm gonna squeeze the tail a little too tight.
Okay.
What's the name of
Oh Lord. Name.
my favorite sports talk show? Not the names of the people, but the name of the show.
Undisputed.
Yep.
I knew that. I hear it every time he take a shower, go to the bathroom by himself. Skip.
Skip Bayless. Now you know. That's my show.
All I hear is just men arguing.
Wow, this is a hit.
For real, for real.
It's still at a 7 for you?
Huh?
I say you still got this at a 7?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, get on mine.
Oh, your crawfish?
Yeah.
There's crabs over there. Now you want one?
Yeah. I should eat a pound of crawfish like it's nothing. We can always go back. What was the name of my high school?
St. Jude.
And oh my gosh, St. Joseph's Academy.
Oh my goodness, Jude and Joseph. Sheesh.
Shout out to SJA.
It was St. Joseph's. I ain't gonna ask you why, because you've been there. That's too easy.
I still would have known. You wear that gear all the time.
Facts.
I've never seen anyone wear their high school gear more than this man right here.
Shout out to Sanford. What school would I have been to if I ain't go to Howard?
I don't know.
Oh.
Well, nah. I mean, I can guess.
Okay.
You never told me that.
Oh.
But I can guess. My guess would be any school that Macy went to. So Pitt.
Yeah.
That was right?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't tell me that, but you've never said, oh, I would have went to Pitt. But I'm just guessing. Shout out to Macy.
Facts. Yeah, I would have went to Pitt to study finance.
Oh, so I knew he wanted to be SOB. School of Business. Okay. All right, y'all. We're getting over time, but be sure to check out part 2 for the rest of these questions.
Mm-hmm.
And this righteousness will bring peace. Yes, it will bring quietness and confidence forever.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Cool. Okay, ready?